Good morning. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Good morning. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to make chili today, like hot dog chili to put on hot dogs and hamburgers. And I'm going to show you how to do it. It's a delicious recipe and it's very easy. I'm going to make mine a week ahead and freeze it. We actually host a cookout on Good Friday. We've done that since the boys played baseball in high school with our friends and some family. And so I'm going to turn this burner on low and I'm going to add 3 pounds of ground beef. Easy recipe and nice to make it ahead of time. Have that already done. It freezes great. I didn't realize those were cut. Okay. Excuse me. It's a windy, gonna be rainy day here. So I'm gonna make chili and clean house. What are you guys doing on this Saturday? Making chili and cleaning the house. Let me give my hands a wash. Now, there we go. Oh, there's one more piece of paper separating those burgers. Let's see. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Kelly. So I'm just going to break this up. And to this, I'm going to add 1 can of tomato sauce. It's a 8-ounce can. Eight-ounce can of tomato sauce. Now for the spices, I'm going to add 9 heaping tablespoons of chili powder. Do you still? Sarah, yes, the RNF is still on the webpage at cookingcuttingup.com, and yes, you can still get our Rodan and Fields through me. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, that goes in. If you have my cookbook, it's in Granny's Farm to Table on page 11. I'm going to add in some salt and pepper, 3 teaspoons of salt, one, 2, and a half. There we go, 3. And a teaspoon, 3/4 a teaspoon of pepper. And that is it. And what we're going to do is I'm going to cover this in water 3/4. You want to cover it 3/4 of the way and let it cook down. And as it cooks, keep chopping the meat. You want it to be that fine chili like that you get on a hot dog. I'm going to put water over the top of this. And as this starts to cook, you're going to come by and stir it. You may need to add a little more water. And we're going to cook this let's see, cover on low for about 2 hours, stirring occasionally. So let me grab a lid and then we can chat for a moment. There we go, and that's on low. Don't you brown the meat first? No, Linda, I put it just like this, and it's a easy, no-fail recipe. You'll love it. The people that eat it love it. I can't get my throat clear this morning. How are you? I'm doing well, Candace. I hope you are too. Anyway, hot dog chili. Hey, Brett. Brett, are you coming on Friday for the cookout? Because here's the hot dog chili, Brett. It's my mama's recipe. Anyway, I hope y'all have a wonderful day and a wonderful Holy Week coming up. And I'm going to go start the vacuum cleaner. A woman's work is never done, ever. Y'all have a great day. Give this hot dog chili recipe a try. You will not be sorry. We'll see you soon. Bye. Hey again, for you people that followed along about the chili, I totally forgot. 1 onion. You have to add in an onion, and I pureed mine in a little dicer thingy. So if you're following along for the hot dog chili, let me repeat the whole recipe because I literally just went offline, looked around my kitchen and saw this onion still sitting here on the counter. So we're going to do 3 pounds of hamburger and, break it up best you can. 3 pounds of hamburger, 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 3 heaping tablespoons of chili powder, 1 small onion, and shred that really fine. 3/4 teaspoon of pepper and 3 teaspoons of salt, and you will have good old-fashioned hot dog chili. Cover it 3/4 the way covered with water and let it simmer on low for 2 hours, stirring occasionally. You may need to add a little more water to it. You'll just have to wait and see how yours comes up. I'm going to cover mine again. Now what I do with the lid? Oh, there it is. Lord have mercy. If my head wasn't attached, some days I'd lose it. So that is the complete recipe. I forgot the onion on the first segment. Enjoy. Happy Holy Week. It's time to vacuum. See y'all.